Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at ERP software, also known as Enterprise Resource Planning software, which is developed so that organizations can improve and become more efficient, where the system is built to allow you to manage day-to-day operations and activities effectively. So if we think about these day-to-day operations for most businesses, this is the likes of your project management, your human resources, accounting, procurement and risk management. So put simple, this system will allow you to have all these resources in a centralized area, giving you the ability to share data across each area, allowing businesses to save a lot of time on basic areas of the business and allowing them to focus on the future of the business and how you can achieve growth and scalability. So before we take a look, I want to remind you that Profile Tree are a web design, digital marketing, SEO and video agency, and we also provide guidance and support in around digital transformation as well. So if you do want any support in around any of these services, we would be more than happy to hear from you today. You can find both my personal email and the business email at the bottom of the screen, and there will also be a link to these as well as other resources within the description box below. So let's take a look at Oracle ERP. So what exactly is it then? So Oracle ERP, also known as Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning, is a software or a suite of business management applications that help companies automate and integrate their core business processes, such as the likes of your procurement, your finance, human resources, supply chain, and also project management. So this software system is developed in a way to allow you to streamline or integrate your business operations, in return allowing you to increase your productivity, your collaboration, reduce your costs, and even improve your decision making. So why do businesses invest in Oracle ERP? So I think the biggest outcome when it comes to this type of software system is that through ERP implementation, its ability to share data across each area, allowing your business to save time on a lot of basic areas of the business. So basically this will allow you to focus on the future of your business in terms of growth and scalability, as a lot of the normal day-to-day activities will be managed and organised through the system for you. So if we take a wee look at Oracle ERP and we try to break it down to give you an indication of exactly what the system consists of and what you can expect if you implement it within your own business environment. So the Oracle ERP system consists of a lot of different areas that you can integrate into your own business, and these can be customised towards your specific needs. So I suppose it's important to mention that I have created a video on selecting and implementing technology systems within your own business, so I would encourage you to check that out if you aim or have an objective of implementing an ERP system within your own business. You can find this video on Profile Tree's YouTube, but I will also leave a link within the description box below. So as I mentioned, Oracle covers a range of different areas such as Oracle Financials, where this module manages financial transactions, accounting, budgeting and financial reporting. You also have the human resources system as well, where this will be set up in a way to automate HR processes such as your employee engagement and performance management. Oracle Procurement will also allow you to streamline the procurement process by automating purchasing, contract management and supplier management as well. In terms of supply chain management, there are also other automations available within the ERP system, allowing you to better manage your inventory, your logistics, and any product or resources that you'll be ordering as well. And finally then is Oracle Projects, and this is everything based around project management in terms of your planning, budgeting, and monitoring of any of your client projects. So there's a range of options within Oracle ERP, so it's really understanding exactly what you aim to achieve, what is your needs, and how can this affect them, and how can this system solve any of your problems as well. So now you know what Oracle ERP consists of in terms of what functionality are within it. We'll talk about the actual benefits of implementing Oracle ERP and what you can achieve through this system. So as I briefly mentioned before, Oracle ERP can streamline business operations and processes by automating and integrating core business functions, allowing for better visibility, efficiency and collaboration amongst various different departments within your own business, or teams effectively as well. So they will do this by automating routine tasks such as data entry and invoice processing, which frees up time for employees to focus on more strategic tasks. And the system will provide you with real-time data insights to make informed decisions, improving your collaboration between your key employees and stakeholders. And the system will allow you to have better compliance in line with any regulatory requirements and industry standards that you may have within your own business. So there are many benefits that come with Oracle ERP, and there are also others as well, through the likes of their customizable options, which can be tailored towards your business needs, where the system's capability in terms of configuring workflows allows you to customize the steps and approvals needed to complete a particular task, or even giving you the ability to personalize the user interface to match your business branding or preferences as well. So looking at the benefits or the outcomes and what you could achieve through implementing Oracle ERP successfully. So your business could achieve improved efficiency in terms of the automating of core business processes. This will allow you to effectively remove or reduce your manual errors and streamline your operations as well. With the system also providing real-time data insights, you can effectively make more informed decisions at a rapid pace, effectively allowing you to save a lot of time on the key areas of your business, which also can lead you to achieving a competitive advantage within your own business industry as well. Another point to make in around this is also with the system providing a source of all business data in the one area, this can enable for better collaboration and communication amongst your different stakeholders and teams within your business, therefore offering increased visibility. In addition to this, you can have better compliance as well as reduce any overhead costs in terms of the automation of your business processes, leading to reduced labour costs and improvements in resource allocation as well. So in summary, Oracle ERP, as we have seen throughout this video, is a business management software application that will help you automate and integrate your core business processes such as project management, HR and other various processes as well. And the system is highly flexible, scalable and customizable, making it suitable for all businesses no matter the size of your organisation. And some of the benefits to the system, as we've seen, is the likes of your improved efficiency, better decision making and increased visibility as well. As I mentioned earlier in the video, there are resources to other videos which I believe you would find very helpful and useful, so I would encourage you to check those out as well. I've also left my personal and business email for you to get in touch for any support and guidance in around digital transformation, or if you have any queries in relation to this video, don't be hesitant to ask as well. Thank you for watching and have a brilliant day.